Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete contacts on your iPhone in simple steps. Step 1. Open contacts. First unlock your iPhone and open the contacts app which is built into your iPhone by Apple. Step 2. Find the contact. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the contact you want to delete. Then tap on it. Step 3. Open contact details. Tap on the contact's name to open their full contacts details. Step 4. Tap edit. In the top right corner of the screen, tap edit. Step 5. Scroll down. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the contacts information page. Step 6. Delete the contact. Tap delete contact, then tap delete contact again to confirm. Step 7. Confirm deleting. The contact is now removed from your iPhone and will no longer appear in your contacts list. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.